Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell, and in today's video we are going to be doing a Sephora haul. So today, April 5th, is the first day of the Sephora Savings event. I'm super happy for those of you that actually wait for the sale to shop and actually take advantage of those savings. That is just amazing. But I do just want to remind you that if you are shopping for the Sephora collection, you actually do get a 30% discount, and that is throughout the whole entire sale, which is from the 5th until the 15th. If you are a Rouge member, the sale starts for you today until the 15th of April, and you do get a 20% discount. If you are a VIB or an insider, sale starts on the 9th of April until the 15th. If you are a VIB, you do get 15%, and if you are an insider, you get 10% discount. Now that I give you all of that information, let's go ahead and get started with the haul. I do want to let you guys know, I want to be like 100% honest. I cannot go on with the video if I am not 100 with you guys. All of these products that I'm going to be hauling today, I actually purchased in advance prior to the sale, just because I could not wait for the sale, and I was very impatient. And you know, don't do what I did. Yes, this is my job. This is definitely something that I love to do, which is a review makeup for you guys, but I should have waited for the sale. So if you guys waited for the sale, I'm super happy for you. And believe it or not, I'm actually going to shop the sale. So I do have a couple of things that I do want to get, and I am super happy for me because I am going to be able to get that 20% discount because I am a Rouge member. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video and the haul. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. You can also like and comment down below. Let me know in the comment section which product you are super excited to get during the Sephora sale. I would love to know, and if I like it, I might just add it to my cart. But anyways, let's go ahead and now get started with the video. If you are a content creator, you know that today is the best day to haul. So I was just trying to be smart in showing you guys my products, because I've actually like hauled products before prior to the sale, and you guys always ask me like, why didn't you wait till the sale? Because I didn't. This is part of my job. So I do have 3 bags of products that I have not used. So let's go ahead and start with this one. I'm just going to pick randomly, so just bear with me. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon and Niacinamide Hue Drops. So I saw it and I already love the regular drops, and it smells so good. Glow Recipe is just such a good brand to me. I do have some of the products for my skincare routine, and I am just super excited. So I have been really enjoying YSL, like foundation, concealer. I have been doing videos using their products, and the last products that I actually used was a translucent powder and a bronzer, which I have been really enjoying. But I did not have any like eye products, and I still don't have any like lip products, so you know, little by little. But anyways, I do have these 2 eyeshadow palettes that I wanted to try so badly, just because they look very nice, luxurious, sophisticated. And this one is more on the pink side, and this one is in the shade 400 Baby Love of Roses. Really nice, beautiful color story. And I also had to get this one right here, which is a little bit more of a cooler tone shades, and this one is in the shade 100. I also picked up the Givenchy. This one was like in my love list for a very long time, and this is a lip balm, but is like the black one. Look at that. That is super interesting. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be very similar to the one from Clinique, but I am really excited. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. This is like an old product, but I know it has been in my love list for a very long time, so I'm super happy that I'm going to actually use it very soon. I got 2 of the Makeup by Mario lipsticks because I saw somebody's video, and I don't remember her name right now from the top of my head, but she did a whole entire review of the best lipsticks that have come out lately, and this one was like on her very top list, and I wanted to try it, and just, you know, just she made me do it. So here are the bullets. Really nice, beautiful, weighty, and it does have that magnetic. And I did get the shade in Flat Iron, which is like a peachy nude kind of lipstick. And then I also have this one right here, which is in the shade Nolita, which is more on the pinky side. Really nice, beautiful shades for every single day, so I'm excited to try these. I also got the Giorgio Armani, and this one is called the Glow Enhancer, and this is in the shade 11. So here is the shade in 11. Look at that. That is gorgeous, and the formula feels really nice and thick as well, like very moisturizing, like a lotion, but super glowy and amazing color. I also got a lipstick from Merit based on this girl's recommendation. I'm gonna have to put her name somewhere over here because seriously, she convinced me. She talked so well about these lipsticks right here. And this one is in the shade Ambies. I hope that I'm saying it right, but it's wow, that is gorgeous. I am just really excited to try the formula, which is really exciting for me. I absolutely love the formula for the Haus Labs. I did a whole entire video swatching the ones that I actually purchased a while back, but I am going to have to move those or maybe gift it to my sisters or just put it in my makeup kit. I don't know how good they are. I have to check on them, but I decided to get the same shade that I already have in my collection, which is a really nice, beautiful, like bright baby pink French rosette. It looks gorgeous. Like, this is so beautiful, and I love how little the packaging is. It's like perfect. I'm really happy that they actually do have the color in the front as well. And this one is in the shade Fire Moon. Again, loving the packaging, and this shade is absolutely gorgeous. So let me just show you like side by side, just in case you wanted to see them. They are definitely different from one another. This one is a little bit more brighter, like corally orangey. This one is a little bit more on the bronzy side. Super excited. And just in case you've never seen the Dragon Fruit Days before, here it is. It's like very cool tone pink shade. Really beautiful. We have some Huda Beauty glosses. These are brand new. I already tried them. I really do like them. Do have the shade in Bombshell, which is one of my favorites, and the other one is in Foxy, which again is really nice and beautiful. Foxy, it's a little bit more on the like warmer tone, like caramel. Bombshell, it's more of a pinky, like mauve tone. Really nice and beautiful. Really do like these two. And of course, I got the Makeup by Mario palette just because everyone has been talking about them, and I do plan to use this like more on my makeup kit than anything else. And here we have the shades, which are like very neutral shades. And yeah, really excited to try it and just to try it for myself to see how it actually works, and they blend and build up. Hear really good things about it. So I did really like the first one, so I know that I'm not going to have any issues. His formula, it's really nice and buildable, super easy to use and to blend. So again, I'm really happy to try this palette soon. All right guys, and let's go ahead and finish it up with the last bag. And this one does have a couple of more products in here, a little bit more than the other ones, but I did end up picking up the Makeup Forever HD Skin Setting Powder, and I did get mine in the shade Corrective Rose. And because I have been enjoying so much the Givenchy powder in like the pink powder, which is the shade Violet Rose, and I just tried the Laura Mercier pink powder as well, which it was like mind-blowing because I didn't even know that she actually had a pink powder. I'm super excited. The video should be coming to you guys very soon, and it does look like really nice and rosy, more on the peachy side from what I'm seeing here. So you guys are definitely going to see a lot of new products in upcoming videos because I'm going to be using all of these stuff. So definitely, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope that you guys do. By the way, I try to be a little bit more bold with my makeup today just because I was actually playing with the blue shades from the Dolce & Gabbana palette. I just wanted to test it out one more time, give you guys inspiration on a reels or shorts, and that is why I have this makeup. Usually I try to keep it like super chill, but I do like my colors. So just in case you're new here, hi, I do like colors. I do like super dramatic looks as well, but I also keep it super simple and nice. So there's a little bit for everyone here. Go ahead now and dig into the bag again, and we have a Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. I have never tried any lip products from Dior, but this one right here I could not resist just because it's like that bronzy golden kind of lip gloss, and I am super happy. This looks absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging. Let's go ahead and continue on with some Dior products. This is the Dior Forever Glow Star Filter, and I did get mine in the shade 02. This, from what I have been seeing, is like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, but it's a little bit less metallic from what I've heard. I haven't tried it or compared the two, but I am so pumped. And these two as well, I'm super excited to try them. These are the Forever Glow Maximizer, and I do have the shade in gold and pink. Let's go ahead and just see them because I haven't even opened these boxes. So here we have the gold one and the pink one. I know that they came out with new shades, like brighter shades, that you can actually use them as like blush toppers. So those are on my wish list. Before the sale is over, I might just end up getting maybe 1 or 2 more, but we will see. But I decided to get this one right here, which is the Dream Lip Oil, and this is again from Summer Fridays in the shade Blush Dreams. The shade seems to be like perfect for every single day. It just seems to be a little bit thicker comparing it to the tube ones that they have, and I really do like the shade, the shine, and I am super pumped for this one right here. So when Patrick Ta came out with his new blushes, I didn't realize that he also came out with lip glosses. So I was a little bit late to the game when it came to the lip glosses, but you know that I had to get them because Patrick Ta is one of my favorite brands for sure. And here we have 3 of the lip glosses. I know, a little bit intense. So here we have Need Her. This is such a classic shade that I will go for. It's like a rosy tone kind of shade, perfect for every single day. Another classic shade that I will pick, like a brownie kind of shade. And this one is obviously, I need to do like a ranking of all of my lip glosses for sure because I do have a lot of them. And this one right here is Say Less, which is more of a pinky tone. Super cute, super beautiful. I don't know how sheer this one is going to be on me, but yeah. They look really nice and glossy, which I do like that. They do not feel like they are too sticky. So yeah, looking forward to trying these ones for sure. I also got the Say, and this is the Glowy Super Gel Dewy Illuminating Fluid. And I want to actually see how illuminating it is. Oh yeah, it feels really nice and thin, but that is a beautiful glow. Look at the difference. Wow. Okay, yeah. It doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. It feels very light in consistency. And I really like that glow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, super happy with this one. I also wanted to try one of the lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is called the Lip Velvet, and I did get mine in the shade Parchment. Okay, I didn't realize that it was going to be this deep. But look how velvety that is. Wow, that looks gorgeous. For like just for your lips to be the statement of your makeup and just keep it simple everywhere else. This color is absolutely beautiful. Leaning a little bit more like fall for sure, in my opinion, but I mean, I can still rock it. Yeah, I want to test the formula because I hear like mixed reviews. Some people really like it, some people don't, so we will see. I also picked up one of the new blushes from LYS, and this one is in the shade, of course I had to get like a peachy orangey kind of shade, and this one is called a Curvy Perfect Peach. Feels like it's a little bit like metallic, does it not? Okay, I'm gonna have to test this one out like on the face just to see how it looks and how it blends out, but I wish that it was not this finish. I don't know. We will try it. I got the famous Makeup Forever Endless Cacao pencil. This is a super cool tone, and yeah, this is going to be fun just to try it and see how it actually looks against my skin tone. And the last 2 products that I got from Sephora are these 2 right here from the brand Colfi. I've never tried anything, and this one right here is a sparkling like eyeshadow, and this right here is the so famous concealer that I wanted to try for so long. This one is in the shade Mai Tai Soul. That is definitely going to work for me, and I am really excited because everyone like loves this concealer, so I want to see how full coverage it is. And this is the eyeshadow that I got, which is more of a rose gold kind of eyeshadow. It looks really nice and sparkly, so this is gonna be like for a one and done. All right guys, so that is it for my super huge Sephora haul. I hope that it was entertaining for you guys to watch. I know that it was a lot of products, okay? I know that. You don't have to tell me, I know. But I hope that you enjoyed the Sephora savings event. I know that a lot of us get super excited because we get to save a little bit of money. So let me know in the comment section. Again, just in case you didn't hear in the beginning, let me know in the comment section which product you are super excited to get. I would love to know just because I'm super curious. But you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time.